camera view of this guy. Because he's just sitting on top of that netting and he can't get through it to the water where he wants to be. He's just above the railing. Should be able to see him in the video. In the instance that there are any corn dog enthusiasts watching this, I hope this upsets you. But this way, I can get the right dunkability with my mustard. This is my first time doing this. So, now I can grab a fork and then get a bowl, fill the bowl up with some mustard, and then just dunk it. What bowl am I gonna grab? I will grab this one. Bloop. Hi, Jax. Always gotta shake mustard because you never know and you never want that nice liquidy bit. Ah yes, good old mustard. I'm not a big fan of ketchup, but for any health enthusiasts, you can be glad to know that mustard doesn't have any calories. Neither does salt, but that doesn't mean it's good for you. And now, I will feast. Run. Dun, 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 dun. You can put the plate down. Cause he's a happy cat, happy cat.
Happy kitty.
We are having sausage and rice, and we got a dirty stove, and we're just waiting on the rice to absorb that water. Little somebody is a little impatient. Skyler. Welcome to the day.
Huh?
I've just been working today. Really not much going on. Mary's actually playing The Sims for once instead of just watching people play The Sims.
I'm looking for a door for like a studio, or like a, what's the word I'm looking for?
I don't know.
A pottery studio, but it's also like my business. I like this door, and I also liked a door up here. If I can find it again. But this one's too low. But that's what it looks like.
I mean, the other door is still technically the same height. The only difference is the windows.
Yeah. So like, enter the studio or whatever. Or should I have that door?
Generally, I'm guessing that pottery people would want to be more natural light people.
Yeah. It's pottery and art. I think I'm going to use the one with all the windows. That one's from the pack also, the Businesses and Hobbies pack.
There you have it. My wife,
Made a decision?
the designer. Let's see, anything going on? It's been rainy today. I was watching a frog try to get into the pond, which I did catch on camera.
You said you did some,
I did a little funny video.
short.
Yeah, I did my impersonation of a short to just anger people slightly, if I can. Not many people, just a select few. Just 'cause, you know, just tilt them a little. It's part of the fun.
I haven't seen it yet, so.
Oh, I'm sorry. Haha.
Is that right? Ready to be eaten yet?
Just about. Let me turn this sausage off. Yeah, it's just been a crummy day outside. I went out there to feed the fishies, and it looks like they've been eaten. But the large one, the orange and white one, saw me, freaked out, swam in circles in that pond, jumped out of the pond,
What?
popped back in, swam in some more circles, went down deep into the algae, and then hid.
Which one?
The large one, orange and white one.
Where are you then?
Yeah, he was frantic. Crazy dude.
Crazy dude.
I guess he thinks that if he can't see me, then I can't see him. It's time to eat. Sausage and rice. Sky!
It's time to make lunches for tomorrow. And Shaun's gonna help me. He's gonna get the mayonnaise out for me, and then he's gonna bring me the lunch boxes and the containers. So, helping. Go for my finger. There we go. I had a great day at work today. I was on the line that doesn't move very fast. So, it was wonderful. And I didn't have to do a changeover. It was even better. Oh, my
Did you have
knees
to
hurt.
do a cap change?
I did. I had to do a cap change at 12:52 or something like that. That's not what I needed. I needed this one. I don't like doing cap changes. Only, I mean, they're not bad. It's just the only, there's one in there that's like way up, really, really, really high, and I have to stand on something to reach it. I shouldn't have to. Honestly, it's probably dangerous. It's probably a safety hazard, but I'm not gonna call somebody over there just to change a cap when I literally stand there right there.
on your tippy toes to reach the island.
And you don't have a head. So hot.
Nobody can see if I'm smiling.
He is. He thinks he's funny. Shaun stayed home from work today, I'm telling. He still worked. Did you have fun at work today? From copying. What were you doing? Pulling contracts, that's what you were doing. How long do you have to do that for?
Nope, I was
You were doing
matching up pool reports to the active flow periods because he said that that takes a little bit more priority because that's how we do our purchases, is based on my reports. I have to keep all the accounts.
Get that done first and then
squared
start
away.
pulling contracts when you're done?
Otherwise we're pulling or we're buying for accounts that we don't actually have. And that's what my matching
It's
is.
raining again. I can see it in the pond.
Yep.
Little Shaw got his grades in today from college. He got from Coolidge. He got 1A and 3 Bs. I honestly was surprised. I didn't think he was going to get good grades, but he showed me, didn't he? But I don't know what he that's all on him. All his schoolwork is on him now.
Yep.
And he's got to return his books.
Part of being a miniature adult.
He's got to return his books. I think it's before the end of the week. Because the next semester starts next week, the new semester.
Well, if you remind him, I'll wake him up tomorrow and tell him go to the school and turn in your books now.
Right. Well, the bookstore doesn't open till 8. So.
Brian's working thirds.
Boo. Why? Oh, you said they had an air show or something?
Yep.
And then Skyler has a doctor's appointment for his wrist on the 21st that we gotta go to.
For a ganglion cyst.
And I was telling Shaun, I don't even know what the heck that is. I'm surprised you do. But.
Yeah, fluid that lubricates your joints. Mm-hmm. Sometimes it can escape and fill up a little sac.
Gotcha. That's all gross. Good thing I have another one in there.
So it's just a fluid-filled sac cyst.
Gotcha. But he's got to go to the orthopedic? What do you call it?
Yeah.
So he has an orthodontist appointment and an orthopedic appointment in 2 weeks. This I need to wash. It's gross.
And I don't know if they're going to aspirate or if they're going to cut. Not likely that they'd cut immediately, but...
He'd probably just look at it and see what he needs to do first. And then I have an oil change on Thursday after work because my car keeps telling me, hey, go get your oil changed. Hey, you, get your oil. It tells me that every time I turn it on.
And imagine who sets up all these appointments and does all this calling.
It's me. I do it. I do all of it. Definitely not me. I don't like talking to people. I'm going to be 87 and you're still going to be making my appointments. And I just poked myself.
Jax.
Put that in the wrong one again. Change the lid. Can you see if Shaun can do another load of dishes? I've been making Shaun do the dishes for the past couple weeks. Well, he's been making them do them, but it's quite nice when I don't have to do the dishes. I don't have to worry about it. It's really, really wonderful. It's like little Shaun's home all day long, so the least he could do is the dishes. Okay. Mine. Also mine. Also mine. Oh, I need napkins. Let's grab them from down here. Napkin and chips. Sandwich. Can you grab a cookie from up there?
Yep.
Hi, Jax. Jax has been sleeping on me all afternoon. I had to use a lint roller because my shirt was covered in white fur. Alright. And that is done. Yay! That's done. Dinner was a success. We had about a cup of rice left and that was it. All the sausage got eaten. What do we got here? Fill a bag, help feed families. Second Saturday in May. Donations. Stay in your community. And coupons. I've seen these already. These are coupons for Tide and Charmin and Bounty and Cascade and all that stuff. Alright. Anything else going on?
No, not that I'm aware of. We got raid tonight. Thursday probably not gonna have a raid because none of the people.
Oh, I got home and I told Shaun his shirt matched his pants and he didn't even know it.
I just pull whatever's in the closet.
Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Venom shirt. Venom pants. You didn't realize that, did you? I think it's funny. Anyway, we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Merry Christmas.